Hi, I am Ramesh Babu. In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to paint a banana in watercolor. I am using yellow art to paint the first layer of the banana sketch. It is a light color sketch for the outline. If you are a beginner, please sketch with pencil first and then paint like this. Add the second layer. This time paint with less water and add more color like this. I am mixing burnt sienna to yellow color to create that effect. And for details also I am using the same shade. Try to create the volume and depth to that fruit like this. Paint simple brush strokes like this for details. For shadow, mix cobalt blue and a little bit of burnt sienna and a small amount of black. And paint like this. And add more details to the banana when it is dry like this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to my channel, please check my videos. Thank you.